Good day, everyone. So today I finally got the package, the KT4 package right here, the steering wheel that I finally received. So according to the last time, it was busted up, so I'm gonna record everything. You can see it's all packaged in, so I'm gonna open it up on camera. Just I'm sure it's fine because there's no stickers saying it was repackaged or anything like that, as you can see. So crossing my fingers, everything's good. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Got myself a knife. Let's open it up. Man, I could have chosen a little bit sharper knife, but no. I had to get all right, well that's looking much better. All right, so packaged nicely. It was last time as well, but I don't know how anybody destroyed it that bad at the shipping. That was really bad. All right, let's see here. Wow. Just wow. This thing is cool. This thing is gorgeous. Just look at it. Wow. The paddle shifters. Look at the paddle shifters. They're beautiful. I like the feel of them, the aluminum. Look at the colors. Wow. I don't know if the camera is gonna do the justice, but look at that. Just look at that. How beautiful that is. I don't know, let me see, let me try to get some more light so you guys can see that. That is gorgeous. Wow. That's wow. I have no words. And then the paddle shifters, I also got the paddle shifters with that. They look beautiful too. Way better than the original ones. They sell them at the KT4 website. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna post the link below. And then I'm also gonna post the link for the steering wheel where you guys can order it. That's awesome. Wow. Attention to detail. Just look at it, like all the details, everything. Look at it. In the back, in the front, everywhere. It's awesome. I'm really happy. I can't wait until I put this thing in my car. Wow, that's a beauty. Alright, so the steering wheel is beautiful. We only came upon another hiccup. Well, that hiccup ain't that big, but as you guys can see, the buttons here in my car, as you guys know, I have the adaptive cruise control, and I sent them accidentally my steering wheel with the buttons. I should have just took them off and it would have saved me a lot of headache, but I sent it out with the buttons. They removed them to do the carbon and all that, and then they accidentally, the tech, I guess, I don't know if he forgot or didn't know what the difference is. I guess the KT4 told me, and they put in these buttons instead for me. But that's not the problem. That's not the main issue. But the main issue is that when he did that, he put super glue on the buttons themselves. As you guys can see, it ripped the steering wheel a little bit. The parts of the, like the material from the steering wheel itself, it ripped it off, and a little bit in the wire. In this one, actually, I had to kind of put electrical tape over the wires. But yeah, that kind of sucked. It took me a while. I was, taking it out for like half an hour, and it came out like that. And this one, and then also there's another one here. Like you can see the material from the steering wheel. So anyways, the steering wheel is really beautiful. I told KT4, I sent him some photos, and I told him, man, I tried to take him out without breaking them. For some reason, the tech super glued them. So anyways, he contacted the tech that worked on the steering wheel, and he said he has some buttons, so they will ship me some new buttons over. And we'll get this thing together and in the car, because with the other buttons the horn doesn't work and the cruise control doesn't work properly. So yeah, we'll just wait for those. So I forgot to mention that these buttons right here, they're not the same. In adaptive cruise control cars, they're different. Up here and right here, they're different buttons. They have the buttons, instead of the like a plus minus and a cruise button, they have like the lane, whatever distance between the car setting and setting. It's a little bit different anyways. And then if you guys are wondering, I asked him, like, why did he super glue, and he's like, to make it tamper proof. So I don't know, why he did it, but I mean, it was already enough, I think, in my opinion. I mean, I took a bunch of steering wheels like that apart, and when you take them out, it's pretty solid in there. So I don't know why he had to put the super glue. It kind of made my job a lot harder. I don't think he thought, that I'm gonna have to take it off, but unfortunately, he put the wrong buttons in, and yeah, I had to take it out. It kind of sucks right now, but I'm pretty sure when he ships the new buttons, it will just pop right in and it'll be fine. So we'll see. We'll just wait for the new buttons. And then anyway, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, recommend my channel to your friends, and as usual, see you next time.